Today, you will see the most dangerous foods for arthritis that you usually ignore. Ever noticed your joints feeling worse after certain meals? Could your breakfast, lunch, or dinner be secretly aggravating your arthritis? In today's episode, we'll uncover the truth about foods that might be worsening your arthritis symptoms. You might be surprised to find some of your daily favorites on the list. Are you consuming one of the top 15 worst foods for your joints without even realizing it? And what could be worse than sugar for your inflammation? Stay tuned as we dive deep into the science, exploring not just the what, but the why, and offering practical, healthier alternatives to these arthritis triggers. Make sure to watch until the end, because you'll want to be fully prepared the next time you're at the grocery store or planning your meals. Let's get started and take control of your health together. Just a quick reminder. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Did you know that sugary drinks might be making your arthritis worse? Sodas and other sugary beverages are packed with high fructose corn syrup, which can trigger the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines. These cytokines increase inflammation in the joints, leading to more pain and stiffness. Additionally, sugary drinks contribute to weight gain, putting more stress on weight-bearing joints like hips and knees. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that sugar-sweetened beverages are linked to higher levels of uric acid, which can lead to gout, a type of inflammatory arthritis. To combat this, swap sugary drinks for healthier options like water infused with lemon or herbal teas. These alternatives can help reduce inflammation and support overall joint health. Choosing healthier beverages can significantly impact your joint health. Start reducing sugary drinks today and notice the difference. But what about foods you might consider healthy, like white bread? If you want to stay informed about your health, well-being, and longevity, subscribe to our channel and activate notifications. Here you will be informed every week, and we are committed to guiding your life towards a better path. Is your morning toast doing more harm than good? White bread, made from refined flour, has a high glycemic index that can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. These spikes trigger the production of inflammatory cytokines, worsening arthritis symptoms. A 2017 study in Nutrients highlighted that diets high in refined grains were associated with higher levels of inflammatory markers. Switch to whole grain or gluten-free options that have a lower glycemic index and provide more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These healthier choices help stabilize blood sugar and reduce inflammation. Small changes like switching your bread can lead to significant improvements in your joint health. Choose wisely. Next up, we'll talk about a breakfast favorite that might surprise you: bacon. Is it really that bad for arthritis? Stay tuned to find out. Everyone loves bacon, but is it causing your arthritis to flare up? Bacon is high in saturated fats and advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which can increase inflammation. A study in Frontiers in Immunology found that these compounds can significantly contribute to higher levels of inflammation, aggravating arthritis symptoms. Try turkey bacon or plant-based alternatives that have less saturated fat and AGEs. These swaps can help reduce inflammation and improve your overall health. Moderation and healthier alternatives can make your breakfast a better start to your day. Now that we've covered bacon, let's move on to another common food that might be in your diet: French fries. How bad can they be? Keep watching to find out. Are your favorite fries making your joints ache? French fries are loaded with trans fats and salt, both of which can increase systemic inflammation. Trans fats alter cell membranes, leading to increased pain and swelling in arthritis. The excess salt also contributes to water retention and higher blood pressure, stressing your circulatory system and aggravating inflammation. Opt for baked fries or sweet potato fries that contain healthier fats and less salt. These alternatives are kinder to your joints and overall health. Healthy tweaks to your favorite foods can keep your joints happy and pain-free. Up next, we'll reveal a surprising drink that could be affecting your arthritis more than you realize. Beer, what's the connection? Find out next. Could your favorite brew be worsening your arthritis? Beer contains gluten, which can trigger inflammation in those sensitive to it. It's also rich in purines, leading to higher uric acid levels and increasing the risk of gout, a type of arthritis characterized by severe inflammation and pain. Consider gluten-free beer or other alcoholic beverages that don't contain purines. Moderation is key to preventing arthritis flare-ups. Even your drink choices can impact your arthritis. Make informed decisions for better joint health. In just 5 seconds, we'll discuss a sweet treat that might be harming your joints. Can you guess what it is? Stay tuned. Is your favorite dessert a hidden arthritis trigger? Ice cream is high in saturated fat and sugar, which can promote the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, intensifying joint pain. A 2020 study in Nutrients found that diets high in refined sugars and saturated fats accelerate the inflammatory process in rheumatoid arthritis. Opt for low-fat or dairy-free ice cream alternatives with natural sweeteners. These choices can help manage your sweet tooth without worsening your arthritis. Healthier dessert options can satisfy your cravings while keeping inflammation in check. Just like thousands of others who've switched to healthier desserts, you can too. Coming up next, margarine. Is it really that bad? Find out. Is margarine making your arthritis worse? Margarine contains trans fats, which are known to promote inflammation. A 2011 study in the Journal of Lipid Research showed that diets high in trans fats significantly increase inflammatory markers. Switch to olive oil or avocado spread, which contain healthier fats that can reduce inflammation. Choosing better fats can make a big difference in managing arthritis pain. And now, for the most surprising food on our list, pepperoni pizza. Why is it so harmful? Let's dive in. Let's dive. Who doesn't love pizza? But could it be causing your arthritis to flare up? Pepperoni pizza contains saturated fats from cheese and pepperoni, which can increase inflammatory markers. A 2024 study in Cell Biochemistry and Biophysics highlighted how these fats can activate adipose tissue inflammation, exacerbating arthritis symptoms. Try veggie or lean protein toppings on whole grain crust to enjoy pizza without the inflammatory side effects. Healthier pizza choices can help you enjoy your favorite food without the pain. Now that you've learned about these arthritis-triggering foods, don't forget to comment below with your experiences. Have you noticed any of these foods affecting your arthritis? Let us know. If you want to have a healthy eating guide in your daily life to easily live to 120 years old, don't miss the link we'll leave pinned in the comments. Your physical health, mental health, and well-being will thank you and be happy for sure. Take a look at the comments. That's it for today's video, folks. We've explored some of the most dangerous foods for arthritis. And it's fascinating how our diet affects our health, isn't it? Do you notice your arthritis pain flaring up after eating any of the foods we listed today? Or perhaps others we didn't mention? We're here to learn from each other, so please share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, just comment "yes" below. Your feedback is incredibly motivating for us and helps us create more content that can make a difference in your life. If you really like the content of this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. This way, we will bring more content like this here on the channel. With us, you will be informed before everyone else, and you will keep your health up to date, moving towards longevity with health and well-being. Thanks for watching and take care. Until next time, keep making smart choices for your health, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay with us, and we'll guide you a better living blueprint.